If you're looking to upgrade your entry door with a sleek, modern lockset, the San Clemente Slim Square Deadbolt combined with the Halifax interior lever offers a perfect solution. This set stands out with its clean, low-profile design, giving your door a fresh, contemporary look without the bulk of traditional locks. The Halifax interior lever is designed to fit both right and left-handed doors, making installation straightforward no matter your setup. Its reversible feature means you don't have to worry about door orientation, and the handle's modern style complements the slim deadbolt seamlessly, creating a cohesive aesthetic. One of the standout benefits is the deadbolt's low profile. It's 50% slimmer than standard models. This means it sits closer to the door surface, enhancing both the look and function by reducing protrusion. Plus, the adjustable throughbolt design slides vertically and horizontally, ensuring your handle set aligns perfectly every time. Security is top priority here. The handle set deadbolt carries an ANSI BHMA Grade 1 certification, the highest rating for residential security. This isn't just about looks, it delivers solid protection for your home, giving you peace of mind without compromising style. Another practical feature is the SmartKey security system. You can rekey the lock yourself in just 3 easy steps, which means you can match it to your existing keys without calling a locksmith. It's compatible with the Kwikset KW1 keyway, adding flexibility and convenience for homeowners. Installation is hassle-free and requires only a screwdriver. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or just want a quick upgrade, this lockset simplifies the process without sacrificing quality or security. It's designed to fit standard entry doors, making it a versatile choice for many homes. Users across the United States praise the modern look of this lockset. Many have moved away from ornate, traditional styles to embrace the clean, square lines of the San Clemente and Halifax combo. The ability to rekey at home adds a practical edge that homeowners appreciate. If you want a lockset that combines contemporary design, top-tier security, and easy customization, this set is worth a look. It changes how your door looks and feels, while giving you control over your home's safety. Try it when you're ready to make your front door both stylish and secure.